This is going to be a really quick video as a follow-up to when I've installed this refrigerator for this ROG 12BH. The original way I had it mounted wasn't really holding it steady, so I had to go back to the drawing board and come up with a new solution. So let's check it out. So what I've decided to do is pretty simple. Mirrors kind of how other brands have their own securing straps. So I used these D-rings, if you will. I'll put a link in the description, and fastened them to where the handles would bolt into the front and the back. And then down here, I put two more of these connectors, bolted it into the drawer in previous holes that were already made, and put these straps in. I'll show you what I did to the back as well. So in the back here, I, again, just like the front, had the connectors up here and the straps ran through, but I ran the straps around this hole that was already here from the factory, and then around the edge of the fridge. Did it on both sides, and shaking this around, I think it's going to hold pretty well. If not, I guess we'll go back to the drawing board, but I think this is going to do. So we're here visiting family, and it is about a 4.5 hour road trip down the interstate. So not a lot of off-roading, but interstates get pretty bouncy. So we're going to see how this fridge new mounting system held up. Well, at first glance, without pulling the slide out, it looks pretty solid in there. Doesn't look too shabby either. Shaking it. Nothing. Let's pull it out and see how it looks. So it seems to be doing just fine, holding pretty good. The next big test is really the off-road test, and we'll see how it holds up to that. So after several miles of off-roading, this refrigerator did not move at all. These little buckles and straps kept it firmly in place, and so I can for sure say that we have a solution for keeping this refrigerator stable. So that was the update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.